So today I'm going to be testing out a brand new tan. This has been kindly sent to me by Lucy B, also known as Lucy B Coconut, and it's an entirely vegan product. So I'm going to see how it looks on my skin today. I've also got my glasses on for this so I can properly see what I'm doing, and Lucy B have also kind of given me a mitt. It's a nice black one, so the tan won't show off on it, which is nice because you know after a while fake tan mitts can go a bit funny. Let's put it on the arms. It's got a really nice warm undertone, which I like. I prefer having like an orange undertone to a green undertone. It just complements my skin better as I'm quite fair naturally. Now for the real test. Is it okay going round my stomach bag? And yeah, it seems to be. And actually, it's settling quite nice. I don't know if you can see, but it's settling quite nice on my stomach. Sometimes it goes a bit patchy and blotchy on my stomach because I've got like, you know, scar and things, but this is going on really nice and evenly. Like, I know some people struggle to tan like the backs of their legs, but you just kind of like have to twist your hand around. So if I'm going up my back, I twist it that way, and then I'll tan it like that if I need to get around the back. So you kind of flip your hand over and do that. I'm all finished tanning and oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I love how it's really helped to highlight my abs. Tan is so great to hide any of those imperfections that you're a bit like self-conscious about. It helps your body just look its best self basically, and I love the fact that it's got coconut water in it because it's so hydrating. I have such dry skin, but it's so hydrating but not sticky. I could genuinely leave the house right now and not even wash it off. And I have put on 2 coats of this, so you can see it's kind of extra dark and lovely. It's £22.50, so such a good price, and I will try and get a link below for you guys to shop it because honestly, this is the best smelling fake tan I've literally ever used. I don't think I'm going to go back to using any other tan again. Love the fact it's vegan, love the fact it's sustainable, so I highly recommend it.